Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn personal care sentences. First, I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to take a shower. Dry your body. He's drying his body with a towel. Wash your hands. Wash your hands before each meal. Wash your face. Wash your face before you go to bed. Dry your face. She's drying her face with a towel. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth daily. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth after each meal. Brush your hair. Brush your hair with a clean comb. Clip your nails. She clipped her nails with a nail clipper. Apply nail polish. She applying nail polish. Put on makeup. She put on makeup before the party. Blow nose. Get a tissue and blow your nose. Look in the mirror. I always used to look in the mirror and check my appearance. Shave your beard. He decided to shave off his beard. He trimmed his beard for the wedding. I'm going to apply facial for my face glow. Thanks for watching.